Which one?
The middle. That's my cousin. And that's Cortez White. Well, she was in her wedding. I'm gonna show you Cortez White. She was in my cousin's wedding.
Yeah, it's recording. See.
I think Cortez's wife is her husband's cousin.
Yeah, her sister.
Huh?
Sister.
Her husband's sister.
Uh-huh.
You hear me?
Mm-hmm.
Ain't that crazy though? It's a small ass world. Cause you know Tommy. You know my cousin Tommy.
15. Then you got one.
Cause Tommy and your daddy is best friends, right? Huh? Am I tripping?
Something like that.
You know what, Fat Man? Out of all the years,
You about to get something good.
out of all the years I dated,
You got 2 purples.
out of all the years I know you, Fat Man, I never saw a picture of how your daddy looked.
What?
I never saw a picture of how your
Are you
fucking daddy
serious?
looked. Out of all the years I fucking known you, Fat
All
Man.
you gotta do is go in here and type in Otis. That's the area. I gotta wait on it to pull up now. Already? You got a lot of slots. Hold on, how much you get? You'd be better off not even if you. Hold on. Go back. Go back to it. Open it. It's $5.99, right? Yep, you good. Oh, you ain't never seen his dad?
I ain't never seen a picture of his dad.
Oh man. So big out. There you go. You doing that for just the slots. Oh, I'm wrong. It was 40 slots in total. Now you still get to do that if you want.
This your daddy?
Yeah. Count them off. You need 30.
How old is your daddy?
3. 56. 4.
Oh, why you getting some wings? You get a discount at your other place, don't you?
I'm going up there to get something to eat from Cottage Inn.
You get a discount?
Uh-huh.
How many wings you trying to get?
10. Just a couple. I'm gonna ring up an 8-piece and get as many as I throw in there. 14.
I want some wings too. I pay.
15.
I want some wings.
16. 17.
Cottage Inn, he talking about he about to throw a couple in there. Come on now, Fat Man, don't play.
20.
I told Fat Man I ain't never seen his daddy. Out of all the years I know him.
23.
He look real slick. Look real slick.
It's about to change
Why you
up.
don't get your hair just braided, Fat Man? You say you don't like that?
You like his daddy and his mama.
Ooh, a little bald spot. Well, you should get some dreads.
2. 3.
Fat Man look different. He got some dreads and got that little whoop. I call it a little whoop pack.
8. Then it's about to switch
That
right
little
here.
whoop pack
Oh,
off
no,
of his
9.
head.
And that's 10.
19.
Then you go keep going. There's 1.
I told Fat Man if he had some clippers, I'll cut his hair right now.
No, she don't know. It's over 19.
I used to cut his hair.
6.
I knew that
7. 8.
Over 19.
You already here?
That was about 12 years ago.
Oh, I'm wrong. You got one more left. You already in purple. It moved fast. I seen it move fast. Told you. Oh my God. I finally got a good one.
I'm not putting my car on the
And it's the
street.
80s. That's for the 80s. You don't see it? It's the 1980s.
You didn't feel like that when
Now you mad at me?
Because it had that
Just go ahead